What is up, Play Creatively? It is Dave in here, and I am so excited because today we're gonna be looking at some stuff for contemporary music, all right? We're gonna look at how do you create emotion with only 2 notes. That's right, how do you create emotion with only 2 notes, okay? Anyone can do this, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take any 2 chords for our left hand, and then we're gonna just take any 2 chords for our right hand, all right? Sorry, 2 chords, 2 notes for our right hand, and we're gonna put them together. So the 2 chords I'm gonna take for my left hand are going to be, let's say F and C, okay? Now what we're gonna do for this case, we're gonna play F and C over E, okay? Now you guys know me, I like to play F major 7s and extensions and all this other stuff, but you can even do that for tertiary chords, okay? So for your right hand, okay, we are going to take any 2 notes and we're just gonna play them back and forth together, okay? And it's gonna help create some emotion with the music. It's gonna give the music even some definition because there's a melodic line going on. So this is how it's gonna sound, all right? Then I'm gonna take another 2 notes that's right next to one another. All right, so this is something just a little simple, creative, I would even say an exercise that's helping you with, what's the word that I want to use? Oh, like soloing. That's not the exact word. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna tell Christian, who's the guy, you guys, I actually never talk about Christian a lot, but he's the guy that edits all my videos. He's my partner here at Play Creatively. I'm gonna tell Christian to just post that word on the screen, all right? But you're just taking 2 notes and you're just putting them together. All right, you don't even have to put them together like that. I probably would put it together something like this. All right, so you can use that certainly in a time of like altar call, prayer time, or if you just want to play something melodic on the piano, maybe you just want to like play some nice background music, you certainly can take that idea. Now, obviously, you just wouldn't play that idea. But here's an idea just to get you started, to think, because oftentimes, right, we're in a moment and we're like, what do I play? What do I play? Well, just take 2 notes and think about what can I do with 2 notes and how can I let that emotion come out of me in just 2 notes, right? So this part of my lesson is really unrehearsed, but I want to try something, right? What happens if we think this moment is dark or somber or sad? And let's try to take 2 notes. All right, so I was thinking, what's somber, what's sad, what's certainly like maybe the feeling of deep or emotive, right? What if we can get some brightness out of 2 notes? Let's see. Certainly would affect the chords I choose in my left hand, but let's see. All right, so what I did there certainly had there was certainly my left hand was very important, but that's just one way to think about how you can be more creative on the piano. Is maybe like you just, you know, you think of, okay, what can I do with 2 notes or 3 notes or just 4 notes, and choose them randomly. All right. Well, hopefully that's helpful for you in playing creatively. If you like content like this, do me a favor. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, if you would like to learn more about the piano, so you want to understand like things like scales and chord progressions, you want to learn songs, you want to learn advanced ideas, go ahead and check out our website at play-creatively.com, where we talk about everything to do with growing as a piano player. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.